We are now in math. Listen to me very carefully, okay? Listen. And remember what is asked, okay? We're going to, here's the story. We're still talking about Frank and Kate. Here's the story. Look at my new kite. See what a long tail it has, Kate. How long do you think the tail is? Frank, let us measure it. 3 feet and 3 feet and 1/4 are equal to how many feet?
Foot. Okay. 3 feet, and 1 foot is equal to 7 feet.
Okay, and now how long is the tail?
7 feet long.
Okay, very good. And here's the next. Let us measure it in yards. 1 yard and 1 yard and 1/3 of a yard are equal to how many yards?
2 and 1/3 yards.
So it is how yard long?
2 and 1/3 yard long.
Okay, very good. Frank, I don't think that it's long enough. I am going to make it 2 feet longer. It is now how long it is?
It's already 9 feet.
Very good. What is your solution on that?
Yeah, because 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9.
Okay, very good.
We're talking about
Earlier, how long is the first
7 feet.
7? And then the add what?
2.
Okay, what we are using?
Addition.
Okay, can you tell me again what is the components of addition?
The add and then the sum.
Okay, very good. And I think, said Kate, I think that 9 feet is too long. Let us cut off 1/3 of it.
Okay, so that's already 8 feet.
What?
That's already 9. Okay, so that's already 2 yards. I mean 6 feet.
Okay. What is your solution?
Yeah, because 9 minus 3 equals 6.
And what we are using?
Subtraction.
And can you tell me again the...
Many when subtraction and difference.
I'm not yet done asking
I'm
questions.
sorry. But am I right?
Yeah, but next time listen to me first.
Okay.
Okay, listen. Here's again the story. Frank, I will divide into 3 equal parts. 3 feet and 3 feet and 3 feet are 9 feet. Kate, 1/3 of it will be how many feet?
3 feet is equal to which is equal to 1 yard.
And now have cut it off.
Cut how many?
And now I have cut it off.
But wait, how many did she cut off?
Listen. 2/3 and Frank. 2/3 are left. The tail of my kite is how many?
6 feet. It's 6 feet, right?
Okay.
2 yards.
Okay, listen to me. I want you to write, okay?
Okay.
Number 1. Number 1. 1/3 of 9 feet is equal to how many feet? 1/3 of 9 feet is equal to
This
how
one
many feet?
doesn't write nicely because of the top there.
There
No.
there are more pencil there or no more?
No more.
Oh, give me that one so that I can... Where is my toolbox, Tino?
I know. But what? You hide it. I'm not the one who hide it.
There, Tins. Can you please... Over here, Tins. Over here. Quick, because we have time.
Why did I? You know why I hide it yesterday, Tita Len?
Okay, I want you to sit down.
You know why I hide your toolbox yesterday? Oh, there's another pencil. Oh, this.
Okay. I want you to sit down first.
And then say the question again, okay?
Yeah. Just wait. Just wait for my question, okay? Here, your pencil.
But where's that
Here
black?
is-
The
Okay,
black
listen.
big one.
What?
Where's the black big one? That
Later na this one. Okay, listen to me again. The number 1, I want you to fix yourself first. Sit down properly. 1/3 of 9 feet is equal to how many feet?
I will answer that question in a few minutes.
Okay. Done?
FT. Is this right?
Later, I will check it. Okay?
But there's something weird in here. In Thailand, do you see this sign?
Go there, yeah.
Is it 1/3 or not? Yeah.
Tell me things.
Yeah. No, it's not. I'm joking.
Okay, listen to me again. 2/3 of 9 feet are equal to how many feet?
2/3 of 9 feet. I'm gonna answer that question in a few minutes.
Yeah, after you write the question. Done?
Almost. Nine, eight, seven,
Done?
6, 5,
Number
4.
3.
There.
1/3 of 6 feet is equal to how many feet?
2 feet.
1/3 of 6 feet is equal to how many feet?
2 feet.
Okay, go ahead. Just write it down.
It's fun.
Continue, things.
Two-thirds of 6 feet. It's 2/3 of 6 feet. Tita Lynn, this space is too small for me to write the fraction, Tita Lynn.
It's too small.
Yeah.
You can do like this. Oh, come here. Wait, I will. What is the first? The second one. You can do like this. Oh, 2/3. Oh,
Thank you.
okay, go ahead. Fix yourself. Fix yourself first.
Okay. The numerator is up here, the fraction bar, and the denominator is at the bottom.
Very good. That is the what?
Fraction.
That is what?
That is a fraction.
That is the components of?
Fraction.
Okay.
I forgot how to say components now.
Okay.
be bigger than a word, but never mind. Not bigger than a number.
You're in number 3? Oh, go ahead.
Oh, is equal to 4 feet, right? 2/3 of 6 feet.
And you're number what?
Wait, I have to correct the other fraction because I made it wrong earlier. See.
You're number what?
Wait, I'm not gonna tell you until I correct the fraction here.
Are you done writing the 2/3 of 6 feet are equal to how many feet?
4 feet.
So, here is the 1/3 of 6 feet is equal to how many feet? 1/3.
Okay, I'm gonna write number 4. But here's something that I already discovered.
What is that?
5 feet is 1 phantom, right?
Then, okay, here's the number 5.
Wait, I have to write number 5. 1, 2, 3. I'm done.
1/3 of 12 is equal to how many feet?
Oh,
1/3 of
that's
12.
Okay, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try
I
my
know you
best.
can.
Oh, it's equal to 4?
How many?
4 feet.
See, I know you can.
But I'm not yet done. I just figured it out in my mind.
Yeah.
I can do even the hardest math questions. Some people say that 1 plus 1 equals 3, but they're very wrong, right?
Yeah, it's okay, but we don't need to compare ourselves to other people, right? We don't need to compare.
The
Okay, go
bottom
ahead.
of this is hay.
Okay, continue.
One third of 12 or with feet, Tita Len?
1/3 of 12 feet is equal to how many feet?
It's equal to 4 feet, right? I already said it. 4 feet.
Done?
I'm almost done.
And here's the next. That's number what?
Number 6. Is that the last, the number 6?
Yeah, just listen. Just listen, okay? 2/3 of 12 feet are equal to how many feet? 2/3 of 12 feet are equal to how many feet?
So, 2 times I accidentally made a mistake.
Done?
Almost.
Go, 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 go. Focus, teens.
It's equal to 8 feet, right?
Yeah.
That's I cannot do anymore because it's already the 6 layers.
Yeah, it's okay. Just finish that one. I will give you another.
Or maybe I could do it on the other side, Tita Lynn.
Okay.
There's still.
Okay, here, listen to me.
Here's-
Listen to me first. What is the... Listen to me. Listen to me first before writing, okay? Ay, naku, nagka-tearing na ako. Listen to me. Give me a number I'm going to say a number, and then you're going to write a number to become to to what do you call that one?
Like plastic.
No, to get the right answer, okay? I'm going to wait. Listen, look at me. I'm tattling. I will give you a number, and you are going to tell me the number that will will get the right number, okay? The right answer, okay?
Yeah, just like plus. Can I put a plus, Tita?
Just listen to me first, okay? Hi, I'm tattling, OMG. Sorry for that. Okay, here's the number. And tell me the numbers tell me the right number, okay? Listen to me. 6 plus is equal to 13.
6 plus 7.
Okay, write it down. Sorry, I'm tattling.
6 plus.
Okay, you can write the right number to
Equals 13. I am 13.
done.
Oh, a scary
here's the
number.
number.
A scary number. Do you know Friday the 13th, that the blackout will ruin your car?
It is not true.
But that's the day when Jesus was betrayed in ancient times.
But it is not true.
But in ancient times it was.
Okay, listen to me. Listen to me again. Give me the right number for you to solve the right answer, okay?
Okay.
5 plus equals to 13.
You're not let.
I'm stuttering, right?
Oh, yeah.
Sorry for that.
Ah, 5 plus 7, right?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. 5. 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, plus 8.
Okay.
Plus 8. 9, 10, 11, 12.
You must write the correct number. Okay?
Okay, before you say the next one,
Yeah. Because,
even one mistake.
yeah. You are going to write the correct answer for you to
To be upgraded.
no, to get the right answer. Okay, listen to me. Here's the next. 4 plus equals 13. 4 plus is equal to 13.
9. 4 plus 9.
You're going to give me the right number to get the 13, right?
Yeah. But I forgot.
You forgot to what?
I forgot how to write it nicely here. We're talking about too much addition.
Yeah. Done? Here's the next.
Wait, Tita Len. This one is division and fraction, and this one
Division
is
and fraction.
yeah.
Okay.
Division is not taking away numbers. It's just making into equal parts, right?
Yeah, very good. Go ahead.
Wait. I'm thinking of the laws of physics, okay, so that I can solve the tandem.
4 plus
Why?
equals 13.
You're disturbing me.
Sorry, go ahead. You already answered me earlier.
9. Why if I take too much, you will not wait? Why are you so loudy?
Done?
Why?
3 plus is equal to 13. 3 plus equals 13.
3 plus 10.
Okay.
It's an easier one.
You've got the correct answer.
6, 5, 4, 3. Right? Is this addition? I don't know.
What is that again, Tim?
Is this addition? It is addition, right? It's addition, right?
And why you're telling me that you don't know?
I'm only joking.
Okay. In our lesson, we don't need to make jokes, okay?
Yeah.
What is that? What we are using?
Addition.
And tell me the component of addition.
Add and the sum.
Okay, go ahead.
Easy.
Done?
Wait. What? Why? Tita Len, can I show you?
Just sit
Can I
down
show
and you
you?
can show it to me. Just sit down.
Why is it like 6, 5, 4, 3, and this one is 7, 8, 9, 10, and this one is 13, 13, 13.
Yeah.
Why is it like counting like this row is 6, 5, 4, 3, and this one is 7, 8, 9, 10, and the others are just 4 13s?
Yeah. Okay, listen to me again. 7 plus is equal to 13. 7 plus equals 13.
7. It's getting weirder. 7-11, because I'm in number 11.
Teens,
Yes.
go ahead. What is your answer? Ingay naman. Go, teens.
7 plus 6, right?
Okay.
Am I very good?
Yeah, we are very good.
Am I an amazing mathematician, Tita?
Yeah, you are.
So am I already one of the best, Tita Len?
Yeah.
But there are some things still that I don't know.
Fix yourself.
Wait! Why is that?
No, teens. No. I want you to focus.
No, teens, no.
Tino. Because we are in assessment. We are in the assessment, Tino.
Okay.
We are not joking here, teens.
Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15. 7, 12. Wait, I'm in number 12. What do you...
9 plus equals 13. 9 plus equals 13.
9 plus equals 13. Nine plus 4, right?
Hmm.
Am I right or wrong?
You got the right answer.
Stop hammering.
Teens, go.
Is that all, Tita
We
Len?
have more.
Way too much.
And here's the next one.
But I don't have any more space.
Okay, here, the space. Oh, give me that paper. Here's the...
But I have to know what number I am. I'll
Okay,
have
okay.
12, 13, 13. I'm in number 13, okay?
Okay.
There. How many do we have more?
Too much. Okay. 8 plus equals 13. 8 plus equals 13.
8 plus 5. Why too much questions, Tita Len? Like 100,
We're
eh?
not.
You're letting me 100 of questions, Tita Len.
Pino. We already talked about that, right, Pino?
Yeah, I want to work for this the whole day.
Okay, go ahead, Tims. Done?
Wait. Eight plus 5. Did I get the right answer?
Okay, here's
But
the next.
wait, I'm asking if I got the right answer, and
Yeah,
you're,
you got the right answer.
and you're just saying, "Oh, here's the next," without appreciating the answer, Tita Len.
Because I thought you're done, Tins.
I am not Tita Len.
I thought you're done because you already gave me the answer.
Wait, I just have to do it like earlier. Plus equals 13 plus. 13 plus equals 13. But I'm not writing that, okay? No, it's not a joke. Ay, nako. How many hours are you taking things?
Done?
Yeah, let's...
Okay, here's the next one.
100.
14 minus 2 is equal to what?
Oh, subtraction!
Okay. 14 minus 2 is equal to what?
Oy. 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 Equals 12, right? But I just said the answer, so I have to write it. 12.
Okay, here's the next. You are in what? Number what? You're number 14.
I 14. Just say the 14 minus 2.
14 minus 10 is equal to what?
4.
Okay, go ahead. Write it down. I'm waiting.
No, I have to know what number I am.
You already already the number, right? Because I'm going to check. Go ahead.
$14 minus what again?
14 minus 10
It will is equal to 10. Right? Later na the 2.
Yes, this is a good pencil. Give me that one.
Pencil.
Go ahead. I'm waiting.
I'm
You
waiting.
need to observe the time.
Can we copy your words? Pencil. Einstein.
Iharap ko sa kanya yung cellphone.
Dirty talent. I write that it equals 10 talent.
Done? Here's the next. 14 minus 8 is equal to what? 14 minus 8 is equal to what?
Wait. I lost my mind now. I keep on writing 14, 14, 14, 14.
Okay, it's okay. Fix yourself. Look at you. How you stand.
But
Sit
can
down.
I say something? Is there number 13 there on
There is no. Go ahead. Fourteen minus 8 is equal to what?
No. Angela?
Tino.
Yeah? Tina. That's what I would like you to call me.
Okay, later.
Littering.
Remember, I am recording.
Oops. I'm sorry.
Done? 14 minus...
Where?
Can you fix yourself?
Okay, let's do more and more and more.
You want to start it all over again?
No. But you.
Tino, I am recording, oh.
I'm sorry. 14 minus 8. Do not repeat it. Am I following the time?
I told you to fix yourself, eh. Sit down properly. Here's the next.
Wait, I have to write the answer. I just have to write the answer. I did not finish the Thailand.
Done, Tino?
No, but I have to write.
Oh, then write it down.
But
Tins.
I
Tins.
did not
Tins.
figure out the Thailand. I did not figure it out yet. I did not figure it out yet, the Thailand. You don't know how to wait. Can you just wait, the Thailand?
I am waiting, Tino.
Is equal to 60, Thailand. I found it.
The what, Tino?
14 minus 8. Did I
Go
get
ahead.
the right answer? Maybe I did not, right?
Hmm.
I'm done.
14 minus 6 is equal to what? 14 minus 6 is equal to what?
Wait, um, 14 minus 6 equals 8, right? Am I right or not, darling? Yeah, I got. Oh, what happened? You said that this was a good pencil. It's not. It was not my fault, darling. I'm not yet done. Just wait. I'm done.
14 minus 7 equals to what? 14 minus 7 is equal to what?
1%. Um, 14 minus 7 equals 7, right, Tita?
Mm.
Am I wrong or right?
You're right, Tino. You've
Because
got the correct answer.
7 plus 7 equals 14, right?
Okay. Done?
Um, wait, I have to write the number
Not too near. Not too near.
over here.
Yeah. 14
Wait, I have to write the number, Tita Lynn.
You
And
don't need
you're
to
not-
shout things. Just tell me.
It's because you're not waiting. You're like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, like that. But you're doing it secretly. I'm done. I'm done. Okay.
14 minus 5 is equal to what?
14 minus 5. A lot of 14s and 13s.
Okay. Done?
Wait. You're not, you don't understand.
I'm asking things.
You don't know how to wait. Wait. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14 minus 5 equals 9, right?
Yeah.
No. The numbers that the subtrahends are getting smaller, but you know, Tita, the subtrahends are getting smaller, but the differences are getting bigger. Why, Tita Len? Why?
What is that?
Why the subtrahends are why the minuends why the subtrahends are getting smaller but the difference is getting bigger?
It depends upon the number things that we're using. Okay, here's the last one for the subtraction. 14 minus 9 is equal to what? 14 minus 9 is equal to what?
14 minus 9. 14 minus 9 equals 5.
Okay, go ahead.
Wait.
And we are now in the multiplication.
So will that be the last part
Yeah.
of our subject?
Okay, here's the,
Wait! 10, 11, 12, 13.
okay, here's the multiplication.
21 Tita
Yeah,
Len.
go ahead.
Number 20. Why were we like more than 20 questions?
Yeah, because we are in our assessment for the second quarter. Okay, here's the number.
Wait.
Done?
Wait. Okay.
Okay, here's the number.
Wait, I have to.
I did not say any number yet, right? I need to say a number. Listen. Listen very carefully. We're now in multiplication. 10, listen. 10 equals 2 times what? 10 equals...
2 times 5. I'm
Very
gonna.
good. Equals 2 times what?
No, I just. 2 times 5.
Okay, go ahead. See, if you are listening, if you are focused, you
I'm the
immediately
best.
got, yeah. Here's the next.
I will dance after this subject.
Done.
No.
Focus din so that we can finish. So we're almost done. We're almost done. Go ahead. Okay, here's the next.
What?
Here's the next.
What? I have to write. 22.
Put down your feet. Ready?
Wait. I'm ready.
9 equals 3 times what?
9 equals 3 times what? Is equals 3 times 3.
Very good.
No. 10. No.
Done? Done? Here's the next.
Tita Len, this is something out of our lesson. I thought about it, but it's okay. Just let's forget about it.
We're done with this.
What?
Go ahead. Put down your feet.
Are we done or not?
2 more.
Oh, 23. Why 24 questions, Tita Len? Yeah, I could answer one of the hardest.
8 equals 4 times what? 8 equals 4 times what?
2.
Okay, very good.
One more, right?
Yeah.
A. Am I the best mathematician, Tita Len?
One of the best. Go ahead.
I want
Focus.
that coconut juice.
Go ahead, Tins. Later na the other topic because we are now in math, okay?
Yeah.
Done?
Wait. Wait. I'm sorry, okay? Equals what? Equals what? What is
8 equals 4 times what?
4 times 2? Oi! What happened? Can you sharpen this again? Give me the big one. I did not intend to break it. Okay? I did not.
You're pushing it hard, Tins.
I know, but it's not my intention to
Go ahead, Tins.
to break.
Done?
Wait, I made a mistake of the last one. 1, 2, 3 equals 4. Here's number 24, Tita, and this will be the last.
Yeah.
One of the hardest levels in math. Let's go to it.
Okay.
I want this to be
10 equals 5 times what? 10 equals 5 times what?
wait. Ten equals 5 times 2. 5x 2. I did it.
Very good.
My hand is tight. Can you post
Can
it?
you please write your name at the top? Write your name.
My full name?
Yeah, of course.
Am I delaying the lesson or
No, you're not. You're.
how many mistakes did I make, Tita?
You did not. You did. You don't have mistakes.
So perfect exists.
Yeah.
But it's very
It's
hard.
solving. Yeah.
But it's very hard to be perfect. But perfect exists. Anyone can be perfect, I tell you. You're
Perfect in doing, for example, like this in examination.
yeah.
Go ahead. Because I want to record that one.
Constantine.
Go. What is that, Deans?
I'm sorry. I have a. Is Ignacia del Espiritu Santo Luco one of the longest names in history, Tita Len?
I don't think so.
But what's the longest?
Later na the other topic. Things, we need to finish that one. Later, we're going to talk about the Mother Ignacia, okay?
Okay.
Not this time, because we're in math.
Anapatis. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 90. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm done. And paper 2. Where's paper 2?
I already have.
Do you already send it?
Yeah.
Am I very good?
Yeah, you are.
Did you post it now? Are you still recording?
Yeah. I'm posting your writing.
Can I drink water?
Yeah, go ahead.
Because I'm not so very good